morning. It is snowing in Pennsylvania. Got one of our trucks here. You can see. Let me turn this around here. C&S. I have a piece of plastic to keep the snow off the machine. It's all stainless steel anyways, but it's still nice not to have all that water in the truck. So we have two lines coming off the truck. And then we're doing what's called four to the door. And so I have this special Y connector that takes these two lines and connects them together to make one super powerful suction line. And then all of the water and the suction are coming from the truck way over there. And I'm gonna put my booties on here. So yeah, I got my booties on. And then we have the door kit. This is a special door kit that we use in the winter. I'm gonna put this up here. See, it goes right in the door frame, keeps the hose away from the door. And then it fits right where the door goes. It doesn't make a perfect seal, but it keeps that huge heat exchange from happening from the cold coming in, the heat going out, because the cold will come in the bottom, the heat will come out the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this jacket off, and then we'll get started. So this is super duper nice place. Oh, sorry about that. And so we are going to clean some bedrooms upstairs, a hallway, a set of stairs, and then a large family room. Got my corner guards. I have the hose gear tied with a rubber gear tie. It's an upholstery tool, or it can be used for stairs or tight spots. And then that's a cleaner. So I'm going to spray the cleaner here. I'm going to use that upholstery tool. Get right along that edge of that wall. And then that little cubby, make that better. Here's my Devastator wand. And then we're gonna clean all of this carpet in this little bathroom. Excuse me. And in here you can see where there used to be a desk. And that was where the mat was. So yeah, we're gonna clean up in here. This really isn't a bad place. This client is very, very attentive to what her house needs. So yeah, we're gonna take care of this. Get this all done up. Those are the stairs that we're gonna do. Get it all cleaned up. And then there's a mystery stain here that before she even knew me, the other cleaner couldn't get out. So we're gonna try to get that out for her too. So yeah, so I have those corner guards up anywhere that the hose would rub on a corner. It is obviously not rubbing on the corner there. So there's none there. But here specifically, we don't want that hose going or anything like that. And then to keep it from moving, we have the gear tie. And then the corner guards are there just as an extra layer of protection. And then that's that little bathroom that we're gonna do. So. All right, let me hop to it. I'll show you what I'm up to.